So today we will solve one of the polynomials algebra problem, right? So basically, it's one of the trickiest problem, right? So let's start, right? The problem is x square minus x cube equals to 12, right? So, okay, to solve this equation, what we will do, we will bring everything over on the left hand side, right? So it would be, let's do one thing. Let's start with the bigger uh, cubic thing first. So is x cube, right? We can write it as plus x square, right? And if I bring it over, it's minus 12, right? Equals to 0. Now what we will do, we will multiply both sides with minus 1, right? So if I multiply 0 with minus 1, it will again come to 0. And here it would be x cube minus x square plus 12, right? Now it's a cubic polynomial, right? But we do not have any x over here, right? So we should, so the trick is that we should be using, breaking this part so that we can do some kind of factorization, right? So how we will break it, right? So it can be broken in anything, right? I can do it 1, 11, 2, 10. Those will not make sense, right? So we need something which can match with x cube or x square, you know? So the idea is, let's do, it's 8 and 4, right? So why we have chosen 8 and 4? It's because 8 is equals to 2 cube, right? And 4 equals to 2 square, right? So then we can use this expression with these existing x cube and x square, right? So let's do one thing. X cube, right, minus x square, 8 plus 4, right, equals to 0. Now what we will do, we can write 8 and 4 as 2 cube and 2 square equals to 0. Let's do x cube minus x square plus 2 cube plus 2 square, right? Now these two can be combined together, right? And these two can be combined together, right? So what we can do, we can write x cube, right, plus 2 cube, right, minus x square plus 2 square, right? Now this is a cube and a cube plus b cube, right? We know the formula of this, right? So what we can do is that we will write a plus b, which is so a plus b cube is your a square, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, right? We know that this formula, right? So we will break this thing into the same, right? So it would be x plus 2, right? And then x square minus 2x plus 4, right? And this we can write it as x square minus 2 square, right? Now what we will do, we know this formula also, right? This is a square minus b square, right? So what we will do, like, we'll write everything over here, x plus 2, x square minus 2x plus 4, okay? Now minus a plus b, right? So x plus 2 and then x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Now you can see these two are common, right? So we can bring it out, outside, I mean, we can have it outside of this equation. So x plus 2, right? And then inside be x square minus 2x plus 4 and then minus x, right? And plus 2, right? Equals to 0. So it would be x plus 2, right? X square minus 3x plus 6, right? Equals to 0. Okay, so this thing cannot be broken into this, if we try to find the factor, or you can say 0 of this quadratic equation, it will not come to on the real number, right? It would be something like complex number. But here what we can do is that we can see here, right, x plus 2. So if I make x minus 2, right, so this whole equation will become 0, right? So x minus 2 is the solution, or you can say the 0 of this cubic polynomial, right? Okay, so let's try to fit into that. So minus 2 whole square minus 2 cube, right? So it would be 4 minus minus 8, right? So equals to 12, right? So it matches with this equation. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.